Welcome to Earth Haven 0.2. Today, we witness the birth of the future, the Lamborghini Terzo Millennio. Step 1. Weaving the ultra-lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis for extreme structural rigidity.
Next, high-pressure molds forge the aerodynamic outer body panels into their aggressive, signature shapes.
Mounting the high-performance front and rear adaptive suspension directly onto the carbon chassis. No standard batteries here. Installing cutting-edge supercapacitors for lightning-fast energy storage and discharge. Spraying the lethal matte black finish across the Hypercar's sharp, futuristic exterior contours. Integrating high-torque electric motors directly inside all four-wheel hubs for unmatched AWD control. Installing massive carbon ceramic brake discs to tame the insane electric torque safely. Routing the complex, heavy-duty, high-voltage wiring harness to power the entire electric beast. Fitting the advanced thermal management system to keep the supercapacitors running at optimal temperatures. Installing the ultra-ergonomic Alcantara upholstered bucket seats directly onto the carbon monocoque floor.
Moving inside, dropping the ultra-futuristic carbon fiber dashboard and race-inspired steering column.
Booting up the central intelligence system. The digital cockpit screen officially comes alive. Fitting the iconic Y-shaped laser headlights and tail lamps, defining its predatory stance. Securing the panoramic, high-impact front windshield and side glass into the matte black body. Bolting on the aggressive front splitter and rear diffuser for maximum high-speed aerodynamic downforce. Mounting the custom aerodynamic carbon wheels directly over the integrated in-wheel electric motors.
Wrapping the rims in bespoke Pirelli P0 tires, optimized for insane electric acceleration.
Applying the legendary Raging Bull badge to the front hood. The masterpiece is almost complete. Running advanced diagnostic tests on all autonomous sensors, radars, and internal electronic systems. Secured on the dyno, calibrating the massive power output from the 4 independent electric motors. Subjecting the hypercar to extreme monsoon conditions inside the high-pressure, watertight testing chamber. Integrating revolutionary self-healing technology. Nanotubes repair microcracks automatically across the entire body. The final touch. Applying a flawless protective ceramic coating over the sinister matte black body. Perfection complete. Behold the breathtaking, raw, and futuristic masterpiece. The Lamborghini Terzo Millennio.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Earth Haven 0.2 for more epic automotive journeys. See ya!